Mother Nature was singing a song, the chirping of birds, the sound of this water, the dance of the leaves in the gentle breeze. This cool breeze, how wonderful to feel. This is what I felt, saw and heard. How beautiful the surroundings. The world is rich, rich, the land is abundant. How clear the water, how wonderful to live in this environment. How beautiful the colors. Rich, rich in life, rich in life, rich in life. This is the paradise created by God. The sound of nature, nature, love it truly, love it truly. But I woke up to the smell of the surroundings. The touch of the cold air was already warm. Trash was scattered, smoke was spreading. What happened to the dance of the leaves I can no longer hear. The happy chirping of birds, clear stream. Where are you now? Help, help the surroundings. The sky cried, cried, the earth was abused. The water is black, our world is now lamenting. Where is the beautiful color? It seems life is disappearing. The former paradise is within reach. Can it only be glimpsed in a dream? I don't need a dream anymore. What I need is your help to bring back the former paradise for you, for the whole world. How beautiful the color. Rich, rich in life, rich in life, rich in life. This is the paradise created by the Creator. The melody of nature, love it truly, love it truly. This is the melody of Mother Nature.
Hmm.